Hey everybody, I'm back again with the Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadows. This is the second look that I've done, and I used 3 of the eyeshadows. They're the newer ones. I used the pure gold, the more coppery gold, and then the bright blue on the underneath. I did do sort of a kind of orange ombre lip with this. Obviously, if you want to do something else, I completely understand. My lips are a little bit dry today, so the light orange does not look particularly sexy right now, but try and ignore that. It would be good looking on person who didn't have issues going on right now. But if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm starting off with the Sigma eyeshadow base in Persuade. Just going to blend this all over the eyelids. Now I'm going in with Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Vanilla Bean. I'm just using this all over the eyelid and up to the brow bone to help the other shadows blend better. Now I'm going in with Peach Smoothie. I'm not sure what my lighting did there, but it is much peacher in person than it was on that screen cap. I'm just blending this color into the crease back and forth and then blending it upwards towards the eyebrow. Now I'm going in with another Makeup Geek eyeshadow. This one is in Crème Brulee. Taking that on a slightly smaller blending brush and blending that into the crease. I'm just taking that other blending brush and with nothing else on it, I'm just gonna blend it a little bit better. Now I'm going in with another Makeup Geek eyeshadow. This one is in Frappé. I think that's how you pronounce it, Frappé. Taking that on that same small crease brush, blending it on the outside of my eyelid and then up into the crease. Once the foiled eyeshadow goes on, it doesn't really show through, so you don't have to put it on your eyelid. I just wasn't sure whether the eyeshadow would show through the foiled one or not. Now I'm going back in with that fluffier blending brush and just blending the edges again. Now I'm going in with another Makeup Geek eyeshadow. This one is in Chickadee. I wanted to warm up the look a little bit more since we're going to be using a bright gold and an orangey gold. So I'm just blending this over the top of where those other eyeshadows were. And then going back in and blending again. Now for my favorite part, I'm going in with Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow in Fortune Teller. And this one's just a pure gold. Just gonna sort of tap and rub this eyeshadow onto my eyelid with my finger. Now I'm going back in with my small blending brush and blending the edges a little bit. I was trying to blend the outside edge to see if that eyeshadow would come through, but it wasn't really working the way I wanted it to. That's when I decided to go in with this other Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow. This one's in the color Untamed. This is like a slightly warmer version. So I just tapped this on the outside half of the eye, I guess you would call it. Now I'm just going to line my top lash line with my Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner. Just like last video, I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, eyebrows, waterline, and lashes off camera. This time I decided to use my new individual lashes that I showed you in my haul video, and it was so annoyingly difficult. Not difficult, just it takes so long to do them. I'm pretty sure I would only ever do it for a special occasion after this time because, I mean, they looked great, but it took so long. Alright, with all that done, I'm going in with this Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Peacock. I knew I wanted to do the foiled blue on the underneath, but I wanted it to be a little bit darker, not quite as bright, so that's why I put this underneath it. So I'm just going to put this into my lower lash line and smudge it. Then going in with a pencil brush and just blending it a little bit. Now I'm going in with Pegasus, which is another foiled eyeshadow, and it's this beautiful turquoise blue. Over top of Peacock, it ends up being just a little bit more turquoise and less aqua, if you know what I mean. I'm doing my best to tap this on and not rub it. Now I'm going in with another Makeup Geek eyeshadow. This one's in Ice Queen. It's just like a frosty white color. I'm using this to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm going to contour with my NYX powder blush in Taupe, like I always do. By the way, I'm using my new Real Techniques contour brush here, and it is very pigmented when you use that brush. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm just gonna speed through this part because I always do the exact same thing basically, so there's no point in you watching me do it. Going in with a Makeup Geek blush. This one is in Spellbound. Again, using one of my new Real Techniques brushes. This is the blush brush, and it's also very pigmented in application, so still not sure how I feel about it. I'm gonna have to use it a few times before I know how I feel. Now going in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone, again like I always do. And that is the final look. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or any ideas for any looks you would like me to do, leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.